Kia ora. In this video, we're going to have a look at using NZGrapher for the 2.9 Statistical Inference Internal in Maths in Level 2. The first thing you need to be able to do for this standard is take a sample. So we're going to come into Sample and More and Sample. Now I'm just going to do a simple random sample. If you'd like, you can subset by different variables, but we're just going to do a simple random sample of 100 kiwi birds. Now that I've got my sample, I can change my graph type to a dot plot and box and whisker. For this particular example, I'm going to look at the weights of the kiwi birds by the gender. So what I've got here is I've got some females up the top, males down the bottom with my dots. I can do a visual comparison of them. I can add in some box plots, and I can add in some summary statistics there as well. I can give my graph a title, so this would be weights of kiwi birds by gender, and I press update to update that. I can also come down and I can look at adding in my informal confidence intervals. I can add in my CI limits, which adds in these little numbers here at the tops and bottoms to tell me where the edges of those bars are. And I can also do the CI highlight, which highlights them in full height so that I can easily compare whether or not the bands are overlapping with each other. Once I've got my graph how I'd like it, I can right click on it, copy image, and then I can paste it into wherever it is that I'm wanting to work with. Now do bear in mind when you're using NZGrapher, each time you take a sample, it will be a random sample, so it will be a little bit different. If you're going to want to come back and produce some more graphs later on from the same sample, you may want to come along and go Data, Download Data, or Save Session, so that when you do come back, you can re-upload your particular sample. And that's 2.9 in NZGrapher.